Hey, Goit! What are you doing in my house? I see that you're taking all of my furniture. Where are you going? Stop! 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 Stop with my furniture! What's going on?
They took the old armchair and then just loaded it up right in the van. Are we getting a new armchair? 'Cause we can't see it anywhere. The big old sofa's also gone, and we've got nothing to lay on. A new sofa would be so neat. It should be here, but where is it? I say beep, beep.
My armchair's
I
gone!
say beep, beep.
My sofa
I
too!
say beep, beep.
Where's the furniture now?
This is so confusing. Wish that it made sense somehow.
Where are you going? You're moving too fast! Hey, I can't keep up with you!
Both the old rug and the TV have disappeared like 1, 2, 3. The Goids moved fast and now they're done with the old stuff. But where's the new one? I say beep, beep.
My pretty
I
rug!
say beep, beep.
Not my TV!
I say beep, beep.
Where's the furniture now?
This is so confusing. Wish that it made sense somehow.
I know that the new furniture is around here somewhere. Let's go find it! Where have they taken it? I'm gonna keep looking. It's gotta be here somewhere.